Ko. Sorry guys, I'm gonna put condense. I know maraming aalma dyan. Bakit may condense? Diba? Yes po, yung iba talaga naglalagay. So now that it's boiling, let's add our tomato sauce. So hi everyone! Today we're gonna cook merienda. Or pwede rin dinner na kasi paggabi na. We're gonna cook some low budget spaghetti. Low budget kasi we're not gonna use pork for this one. So, we are now boiling the pasta. Ayoko nung masyadong malata kaya siguro okay na to.
Mommy?
I don't wanna bring you to the process of boiling because that's boring. So, our ingredients are... Hi! The spaghetti is for this boy.
Hooray!
Hooray! So, to be honest, my son doesn't want pork in it. So, I'm thinking of a way na magkakalasa pa rin siya. So, let's see kung malalasahan niya na may corned beef. Pero, syempre, gustong-gusto niya ang hotdog. We have onion and garlic. And then, to make it delicious, we're gonna use margarine to saute everything, and a little bit of beef cubes in the Filipino style spaghetti sauce. So yeah, are you excited?
Yes! I can't wait! I can 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 wait!
So we're just gonna fry the hot dogs. Konting hot dogs lang. Para hindi naman tayo masyadong magilty. So brown ko lang siya ng konti. And we're using margarine para mas malasa yung pagka-gisa niya. Okay. And then, ang in-next ko is yung garlic and onion.
Ooh!
Pero pwede ko na itong high heat ng konti.
Heat to me!
Silly boy.
Heat to me!
Para mabilis. And then, medyo brown na siya. I'm not using the red hot dog pala kasi wala kaming red hot dog. Cheese dog to. Cheese dog. And then the next is the sibuyas bawang. Pagsabayin ko na siya. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog pag hawak mo yung sandok tapos wala kang stand. Diba? And ang ine-next ko siguro itong corned beef. Argentina corned beef. Isa lang natin siyang mabuti. And we'll be right back after we add the corned beef because I need 2 hands. And now we have already added the corned beef. Yeah, so we're just gonna mix. Isa lang natin siyang mabuti. And our next step would be adding a little bit of water. Water or sauce. I think water na lang.
That's a good idea. To me?
Silly boy. diba? Dito ko na lang din nilagay yung tubig. Alam niyo yan. Siyempre, sayang yan. Makaka-relate ang mga nangihinayang sa mga ano, lasa ng gelato. So, we're just gonna let this boil a little bit. And then, I might add our next ingredient, which is Filipino style spaghetti sauce. So now that it's boiling, let's add our tomato sauce. I'm not sure kung ubusin ko to kasi para naman talaga to sa 1 kilo. Let me just squeeze it more. We're gonna mix this well. Nilagay ko na lahat kasi ideally for ano talaga siya. For 1 kilo of pasta. We do have 1 kilo of pasta. Tsaka baka hindi ko rin kasi siya ihalo. Ayoko kasi nung spaghetti na hinahalo. Gusto ko naglalagay ng sauce. Ayan. So, next step would be, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup for color. And then, oh, I forgot. Let's add pala the beef cubes. And more beef cubes. Just a little bit of ketchup. Kasi baka masyado na siyang tumamis. And since pambata yung gagawin ko, sorry guys, I'm gonna put condense. I know maraming aalma dyan. Bakit may condense? Diba? Yes po, yung iba talaga naglalagay ng condense. But don't worry, hindi ko naman yung uubusin. At it doesn't really affect the whole recipe. It just adds extra creaminess and more sweetness. Of course, condense yan. So, I'm just gonna add it and let's put the heat back on and mix. Before din, ayoko din ng condensed milk kasi parang nawiwirdahan ako na sobrang tamis na nga, Filipino style na nga and all that. Yung iba ginagamit nila yung condense kapag mga Italian or yung mga sobrang asim or yung mga 4 cheese flavor ng tomato sauce. But as for me, since walang ganong option dito sa mga tindahan, we have to deal with whatever we have, which is the Filipino style. So, konti lang yung lalagay natin. I'm thinking about, putting on Nestle cream. Yung iba ganun ginagawa. They call it carbogetti. I think I'm gonna add salt and a little bit of pepper. And we're done.